Hello guys, and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Notes on Apple Vision Pro. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing that you will need is to pair your Apple Vision Pro, and then you will need to open the main menu or the home view. Basically, to open the home view, either you can go to the control center and click on the application so you can have the home view, or just clicking on your digital crown. After that, you will find your Notes application, and then you will need just to tap on it and access the Note application. And basically, here an article of the official Apple website that's talking about how to get started with Notes on Apple Vision Pro. So as I said, you will need just to use the Notes app by tapping on it, and then you will have the first view or the main page as follow. So here you will have your own folders. So there are the shared folders, the all iCloud. Here where you can find all your notes or all the notes that are shared with cloud. So from your phone, from your Mac OS or any other Apple device, and then you can start having new folders. So if you want to create new folder, you will need just to tap on this new folder, and then you will need just to start give it a name, and you will have new folders here. Then if you want to have a new note on the new folder, you will need just to click on this icon here. And basically from here, you can start like having some additional actions like uploading or duplicating, or you can start deleting, etc. And here you can publish or share your notes with other people. And of course, for each node, you have a variety of tools that you can use, like have any media. As you can see, you can find here the drawing tools. You can find the media tool where you can add some pictures. And here you can add some tables. For example, if you want to have some kind of calendar or you want just to plan your day, sometimes schedule or anything else. And of course, there are the checklist and there are some font styles here. And basically, this is how you can use Notes on Apple Vision Pro. Thank you for watching and see you next time.